Hey, this is Micah, Backyard Design Guy. I've been building backyard living spaces for over 30 years. I know that outdoor lighting is a must. You have to get it right. We're gonna talk to you all about how to properly light up your property in this video. Enjoy. So landscape lighting all boils down to 4 reasons you'll want to consider before you purchase or start to do your outdoor lighting project. Number 1 is safety. Number 2 is the aesthetic value. Number 3 is security, and number 4 is the home value. So let's start with safety. Outdoor lighting, of course, can help you move around safely at night, especially around stairs, pools, and drop-offs. It can also help guests find your home more easily by illuminating walkways, driveways, and house numbers. Number 2 is the aesthetic enhancement, and who doesn't love the glow of a beautiful lit house in the nighttime, both in the front yard and in the backyard? Outdoor lighting can highlight features in your yard such as the trees, the gardens, and the architectural details of your home. Lighting techniques like highlighting, silhouetting, and shadowing create unique effects for stunning beauty and balance. Number 3 is security. Outdoor lighting can deter thieves and make it harder for intruders to break in by illuminating entry points and eliminating dark areas. A porch light on can welcome guests at night, but it can also signal that your home is occupied. The 4th one again is home value. Professional lighting can increase your home's value by making outdoor living spaces more usable, highlighting design elements and making an area seem larger. It can also enhance your curb appeal. So let's get into the type of lights that you should choose for your outdoor lighting right now. Lighting has become one of my favorite features. We want to give homeowners the knowledge to make educated decisions on the different types of lighting that work best in their landscapes. It is more than simply lighting up elements in your yard. Uplights, downlights, and spotlights highlight the home's exterior too. It's easy to create a sense of light and depth on patios, architecture, and decks with a variety of fixture options. Uplights are lights on the ground that shoot up walls or outdoor areas of your home to make them glow. Downlights do the same thing when they're mounted on walls to highlight areas. And one of my favorites is spotlights on large trees. They flood the area and they really highlight the depth, and usually in the second layer of the landscape. What kind of lighting are you thinking about? Are you going to DIY your project yourself? So you might be thinking about going to a hardware store and getting some lighting there. I would recommend trying some of the national brands out there. They can deliver them right to your house. One of those lighting companies is called Volt Lighting. It's a higher end DIY friendly company for homeowners. It's a very good brand with easy to install Volt landscape lighting kits. These low voltage lighting kits offer the convenience homeowners want. They also allow homeowners the opportunity to become lighting designers in their own right. These are especially handy as they're all pre-assembled with all you need for the landscape lighting system. For most of these kits, minimal product assembly is required and detailed installation instructions are offered. So Volt Lighting has wonderful customer service, wonderful warranties, basically no questions asked if something's not quite right in the landscape. They will send you out a replacement part right away. And something I love about them is their user-friendly website that will really help you design the outdoor lighting for your home. Another brand that I would recommend is the FX Luminaire brand. With this brand, you have the ability to do color changing and dimming in your space. So you can put lights into zones and use your smartphone. Now these zones can be in lots of different ways. You can do them for festive events. You can do them if you want to set the mood for hot tub. Basically, you use your smartphone and you push hot tub mode, and then all of a sudden the lights dim and it sets the mood for going out to the hot tub. So these are great because they also change colors. That's kind of nice for game night if you want to support your team colors. I like my Oregon Ducks football, college football. They're going to be playing Ohio State Buckeyes this year. I can't wait to support them. My team colors with my outdoor lighting. So for a different vibe, there are multicolor party lights that are great for dancing, grad parties, pool parties, and some fixtures may even offer pattern customization and effects like strobing or dimming. The LED fixtures use as low as 2 watts, providing up to 80% lower energy costs, longer lamp life, and less impact on the environment. LED lights are today's most energy efficient, better light quality than other types of lighting, up to 30 times longer than incandescent light bulb. They also stay cool to the touch, so they're safe around your garden. Modern LED lighting is not like the old incandescent lighting where you had to do home run runs for your lighting package. So now you can basically DIY it very easily with daisy chaining. So once you have your transformer, just grab one of your wires and run it to the first light, and then you go to the next light, and you're not going to have one light really bright and at the end of the run, one light really dull. So the modern outdoor lighting is very easy to DIY. I really want to stress this. A professional might try to sell you that you need to hire them, that they are the ones because they have all the expertise, but really with just a little bit of education, which you're getting in this video, you can develop your own outdoor lighting design, purchase the lights, and install the lights, and pretty much any homeowner can do this with a DIY project. And if you need any help at all, I'm talking any help with your outdoor lighting or your outdoor living space in general, I'd love to help you for free. Just want to make sure you don't make mistakes. Go ahead and click the link below. Let's jump on a Zoom call and let me help you out. So all in all, no matter what and where you choose to purchase lighting, here are some options to think about. Outdoor sconces and wall lighting are a great option. They illuminate recessed areas, enclosed patios, stairways, and hardscaped areas. Deck lights add shine under railing and on stair risers. In-ground lights cast the light upward on trees, hardscapes, and other areas of interest. String lights are the go-to choice for backyard nooks, dining spots, highlighting fire pits, or lighting up the nightlife. Easy to install with variable price points, they add instant charisma for a low cost. Pathway lights are a good place to begin installing lights as they follow the flow of traffic and improve safety. Choose battery-powered, wired lights, or stake lights. Use multiple path lights to increase safety and add beauty to walkways and driveways. Pool, spa, and underwater lights are spectacular. Fountains and sheer descent lights that are built in with varying colors are exceptional ideas for focal points in your backyard. Torches are a classic choice for backyard lighting with an added benefit as a pest repellent. Use tall torches for the yard and pathways, while tabletop torches are great for patio bar or side tables. Hanging lanterns, these can be specialty fixtures or tabletop choices. In all shapes and sizes, hang them on a stand or sit them on side tables. They look good throughout the landscape design. Why not add a chandelier as your light source? It's the perfect light source for darker hours, and it enhances your living space with a sophisticated style. They are perfect for undercovered structures in outdoor living rooms or outdoor kitchens. Candles are an affordable and versatile lighting choice, flickering ambiance throughout your backyard. They seem subtle, but add them to a darker corner and see how much light they add to the spot. Citronella candles can even ward off mosquitoes and other pests. Solar-powered lighting requires no wiring, but must be installed where the fixture will receive plenty of sunlight, at least 6 to 8 hours daily, to provide illuminating at night. Use caution when considering these lights, especially in dark spots that need constant light for safety. If they do not get enough sun to fully charge them, your lighting will suffer. So be careful of salespeople who tell you solar light is the most affordable choice, as you might sacrifice the light your landscape needs. So the most important thing I want you to get from this video is there's a difference between landscape lighting for just lighting up your landscape and lighting your outdoor living world. Now, I'm all about creating outdoor living, how you and your family can get outside using your space. Now, lighting will highlight the functionality of that space. So basically, it'll draw you out in those evening hours and keep you out there. But it'll also really highlight some of the features of your outdoor space. So think about that covered area, or maybe lighting up the pool or the hot tub at night. Think about the water feature. All these things are just gonna be gorgeous to look at from inside the house, but they're gonna draw you out and keep you outside. Now, do you see the difference with outdoor lighting for landscaping? It's basically just highlighting some of the features of the landscape for overall curb appeal, right? So there's a big difference, and think about that when you're designing your lighting system Now, if you need help with this too, I really want to be a resource. We could design the whole space for you. With every design that we do both daytime shots and nighttime shots to let you see all those features are lit up. You can design a masterpiece, like in this 3D design. From the front yard and the entry design to every corner in the property, you can see how landscape and outdoor living lighting set the tone, the style, and the impeccable design aesthetic. Take a look at some of these nighttime designs and how we enhance the spaces for the evening hours to pull the family and guests right outside. One of the biggest problems in backyards is the sloped areas. We're going to talk all about sloped areas in conjunction with privacy in this next video. Enjoy.